Welcome to Web Chat Manager's video tutorial on adding an AGS Search Redirect on your Web Chat Manager account. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create a new AGS Search Redirect. Let's go ahead and get started. So, what exactly is AGS Search Redirect? AGS Search Redirect is a powerful tool which guides and redirects your customer base to where you want them to go based on what they are searching for. For example, let's say you have a lot of customers searching for bumpers on your website. When they search for bumpers, it takes them to a search results page containing all of the bumpers you have listed on your website. But what you really want them to be directed to is a page with all your best-selling bumpers. You can use AGS Search Redirect to redirect any customer that searches on bumpers to land on a page with all your best-selling bumpers for the best results. First, you will need to have your URL path ready. If you're unsure what we mean by a URL path, it is going to be the web address on the web page. For example, at the top of my screen is going to be the URL path. What I want is the last part of the URL, which is everything after the .com portion of the URL. This is also called the relative URL. I'm going to highlight everything after the .com, including the /, and I'm going to copy it. I can do this by either right-clicking on it and clicking on the copy option, or on my keyboard, I can press the Control key and the C key at the same time. Next, go to the back end of your Web Chat Manager account and hover your mouse over the System tab. You're going to click on the Search Redirect button. Make sure you click on the Search Redirect button, not the URL redirects. Once you're on the Search Redirect screen, locate the green Add Redirect button on the right-hand side of the screen. There will be two Add Redirect buttons. It doesn't matter which one you click, as they will both take you to the next screen you need to be on. On this screen, you will enter in the relative URL path you want the search term to be redirected to. Do this by right-clicking in the Redirect URL field and clicking on the Paste option, or you can use your keyboard by pressing the Control key and the V key at the same time. Next, under the Terms section, you will enter in an entire search phrase or individual terms into this field. In this example, since I want my search redirects for everything bumper related, I'm going to put front bumper, rear bumper, and back bumper into the Terms section. After you put in all the terms and term phrases into the Terms field, click on the green Save Changes button located at the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This will take you back to the Redirect Search Term screen. There are a few things you need to keep in mind when using the AGS Search Redirect feature. Currently, this feature does not allow duplicate search terms in the same search redirect or across search redirects. For example, you'd only be allowed to have one entry for bumper across all search redirects. Search redirects must be unique. You cannot have the same search URL in separate entries. The AGS search feature must match the exact terms. For example, if you enter a term of rear yellow bumper, a redirect will only occur if the user types in rear yellow bumper. If they enter yellow rear bumper, they will not be redirected. When you are typing in new terms, try and be creative as possible in order to get as many search hits as possible. And this concludes our video tutorial on creating a new AGS Search Redirect. If you need any further assistance, please do not hesitate to reach out to Web Chat Manager. Thank you for watching.